Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I have an exercise to show you. I want you to try it out. I think I'm gonna call it jumping strings, right? Because I'm jumping from a particular strings down to the other to play that a riff or a groove. So right, so I'm using this key C, right? That's the key I'm using. So we're using this progression. So right, that is all. 6, 5, then 4, 5, 6, right? So this is what I'm playing. I don't want to waste too much of your time. So this is what first line. Right, so la mi, which is your 5, 6, then 3. Do you get it? See the jump, right? So I jump from straight. So that jump. 1, so 5, 6, 3. Then I come down to my 1 and play the same jump. Do, re, la. So 1, da, da, da. Right? So 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 6. So la mi do re la. Do you get it? So do you get it? Then come to the other one, which is re mi ti. Right? So right? There's re mi ti, which is 2, 3, and 7. Right? So 2, 3, go. You have to make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? 2, 3, go faster. Da, chak, cha. 2, 3, go. Right, so there's also which is so la. Right, 5, 6, 10. After place so la, then re do ti la so, which is 2, 1, 7, la, which is your 6, 5. Right, so 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Right. So la da di da da. You get it? So that's just how it goes, right? So I actually brought out this. I don't think I've ever seen this exercise anywhere. Yeah, so I used to use it once a while for myself actually. So I just feel like just sharing it out. Maybe 1 or 2 persons can actually learn from it. So it's actually going to help you maybe create something with it. The idea is that jump. Then that's just the idea of the jump, the idea of the riff, or the what I'm showing you. Do you get it? So I think I made a video on intervals. Yeah, so we can actually we can call this jumping intervals, right? Intervals, yes. We can actually put it that name or call it that name particularly. So right, so you see as it's going, right? So that jumping, very, very important. Right, so la mi do re mi ti so la, then re do ti la so. That is all, right? That's what I'm using. So been using this particular exercise, like I said, for a while, but I think this is my first time of teaching it. I've never seen it anywhere. Alright, so yeah, I just feel like just coming here to just show you. I think it's going to help 1 or 2 people. So just try it out. The idea is for you to just that jump. Yeah. Very, very important, right? That jump. So you can actually use the idea to create something. Do you understand? The idea to create something. This is what I'm just using it for. Like I said, we're using this progression. La, so, fa, so. So I'm going to put it right here now so you can see how it works. 1, 2, 3, go. Right? Let's go. Let's go. You see? This is a progression. La, so, fa, so, la, so, fa. Let's go down. So, again. You see it? Very, very interesting, right? Try it out. Work with the metronome. Yes, with a very good tempo. Then put yourself a timer. It's going to help you. Like I said, it's an interesting technique. If you actually calm down and work on it very well, you actually enjoy it. Try as much as possible to be creative with it, right? Get a song, and just do something around it. You enjoy it. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. And if you want a private class with me, you can actually send a DM. Then if you want to start over, like you don't have an idea of what the bass guitar is and you want to start over from the beginning, I have a course. If you don't want to register for my personal class, I have a course on Udemy. The link is going to be on the description. You can actually just go and get it. It's very affordable, right? I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.